Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can go pelt trading in 99 Nights in the forest. Basically, you are going to first get a bunny's foot. Okay, so you'll need to try to find one. Here, I'm just trying to find one. The first one is the bunny's foot. Next, it will need a wolf's pelt, sorry. And then after that, it will need an alpha wolf pelt. You can trade it for stuff like good sack, good axe, and stuff like that. I like to get the good sack first and then the axe. So here, just place the bunny foot there, and you can see that there's three options. You can get either the good axe, old flashlight, and the good sack. As you can see, it's going to upgrade it to 15 instead of 5. Here, I'm just going to try to find a wolf. It is easier if you have a weapon already. So again, I said it before, use the alien class. I want to do this one, but that's a pack, and I feel like everything's just going to go downhill from that. Trying to find one that isn't in a pack. Oh, now when I try to find a wolf, it's not here. That's weird. Oh, also you are going to want to get the pelts before it's nighttime. Okay, I didn't get it in that try. What about this? Nope. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I'm just going to go back to camp because I need the thumbnail. But you get what I mean. That's how you can go pelt trading in 99 Nights in the Forest. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.